We're going on a train. Can look here. Wow, handsome ah. Wow, handsome ah. Show me your couple shirt. Family shirt. Your family shirt with dad, patingin. Kulit eh. Go, Kin. Lana.
Let's take a picture.
Dad, let's go up.
You want to go up there?
Yes, please. Hello,
Wawa?
Ano muna tayo, kami 360 na.
hello.
Ang taas niyan, Kin. Aakyatin natin yan.
Sobrang ingat pa.
True. Tara din tayo, picture tayo.
Ganyan na yung pag-stop.
Go.
Look. Hindi mo kasama si IT.
Kasama yan.
0.5 ba to?
0.5 yan.
Wow.
Hello! One more time. Woo! Ikot-ikot.
Nahilo na ako. Ikin.
Sayang sitting down, no?
Cute ng bird.
Let's feed them. Let's feed them. Let's feed them.
Big guy. Big guy. Asan na yung kamay mo? Go. Big guy. Ganun. Other side pa. Big guy. SpongeBob. Next
No,
week.
when I do this, you don't do.
Yeah, I will put my hand like that. O tapos, what's next? Oo, okay. Ikaw naman. Go. Ganun mo. Big guy. Big guy. O tapos, do the SpongeBob something.
No, it's not like that.
Not like that, paano?
First.
Konti lang, a little lang.
Damihan mo na konti.
Sabi mo little lang. Enough na yun. Buong agatin.
It's yummy, diba?
Yummy. Good? You like it? Nice.
Let's get ticket na for the train.
Let's go. What happened, Kin? Kin, look at me. Why are you crying? Kin, look at me. Wala pala to sa lakaran eh. Iyak eh. Suko.
It's tiring. Let's not swim na. It's tiring. Look. Let's go.
Init.
Hi, Kian.
Ito, Kin, picture tayo.
Let's take a picture first. Ano naman? Raise your hand.
Let's Sarap. Kinyami. Kinyami. Tikman mo yung milk tea. Mali. Tayo siya, di ba? Legit.